Hockey 605. We're here with Jordan Peterson, HR assistant at Sioux Falls Ford Lincoln. You guys are doing a great job putting together this book signing here.
Yeah, thank you. It's been a great turnout. We're just excited to support and to help out, and it's been an amazing turnout.
Yeah, I couldn't believe how long the line was. And Coach Hartzell, of course, has written the Leading from the Ice, a great book not only for hockey fans and players and coaches, but for anyone who aspires to be a leader, it looks like to me.
Right. That's inspiring for anybody.
So, Jordan, how is it that you guys came to make this connection, to have Coach Hartzell come in and do this book signing today?
Well, we've been a supporter for many years for the Stampede, as well as other local sport teams in town here. We just have a great relationship with them.
Well, you're even repping the Threads here.
Yeah, absolutely. They let us promote our vehicles on Saturday night games, and we just always had a great relationship with them.
Yeah, I think I did see a beautiful white truck on New Year's Eve when we were there for the game. Was that one of yours?
Probably.
Now, what is it? What is a business like Sioux Falls Ford Lincoln get from the affiliation with a hockey team like Stampede?
Well, we want our customers, our guests, to know that we're part of the community. We like to give back to the community. We're part of the community. We're part of Sioux Falls too, and it's not all about bringing the customers in, but we want to give back as well and do whatever we can for the community.
Well, and this is a great thing you've done here. Now, this was a collaboration with the Stampede, I assume, to bring in Coach Hartzell. Do you have a lot of your employees here at Sioux Falls Ford Lincoln that wind up going to Stampede games?
Oh, yeah. Yep. We had, before they came this evening, they gave us about 50 tickets to give away just to our employees, and there was a line outside my office door, and they were gone in like 30 minutes.
Oh, I'm sure. I would have applied had I known.
So there'll be a lot of us Sioux Falls Ford and Luxury Auto Mall employees. They're rooting them on tomorrow night.
And they want all the support they can get. Obviously, there's been some great support there. A huge fan base at the Herd games.
Yeah, I think especially since they opened the Denny Sanford Center, the crowds have grown tremendously, I think, or at least they seem to have. So.
Well, a great event you've hosted here. Thank you so much for doing this and for having us be a part of it. Enjoyed visiting with Coach, and we're looking forward to giving away more copies of his autographed book thanks to you guys here at Sioux Falls Ford Lincoln.
Yeah, absolutely. Thank you for coming out.
All right, thanks.
Mm-hmm.